Hi, welcome to Busy Little Chefs. I'm Brody and today I'm making this very special thing, the yummiest ever, and it has 3 layers. Can you believe that? A banana split smoothie. It has the chocolate layer, it has a banana layer, and it has a strawberry layer. And the first layer, the chocolate layer, this is what the chocolate layer has in it. The frozen Greek yogurt, and it has stevia and some cocoa powder. For the banana layer, it's gonna have frozen bananas and some milk. And for the last layer, the strawberry layer, it's gonna use frozen strawberries and a little bit of that milk. And for the topping, it's gonna be some whipped cream, some nuts, some sprinkles, and chocolate drizzle. Now we're gonna start adding it. First, I'm gonna make the chocolate one. I added the Greek yogurt. Now I'm adding the cocoa powder and the stevia. Now I'm adding the milk in. Now I'm gonna put the lid on and start blending. Now, since I'm finished with the chocolate layer, I'm gonna move these over and I'm gonna put it in my cup. A beautiful cup I have. Now, since I'm finished with the chocolate layer, I'm gonna add the banana layer. Now I'm gonna put the frozen bananas into the blender. Now I'm adding a little bit of the milk. This will taste so good. You don't really need to sweeten it up with anything. It's perfect. Now I'm gonna put like a circle. More than I was expecting it to. Now, since I'm finished, I'm gonna add some of the chocolate on, or maybe all. There we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.